Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the last episode. I'm really excited to share with you guys what I've been up to. Currently, I am at Death Valley National Park, but I got to catch you up to this point. There's going to be a few episodes in between. So right now, we're still exploring Oregon. We're heading now down to some waterfalls, trying to get to Crater Lake National Park. You'll understand more when you see this. So stay tuned, see some travels, enjoy. Up to this point, I've traveled the world and seen 33 amazing countries. I've been to places I thought I'd only dream about. Van life will take up a big part of my time, but this doesn't mean that these international trips will be put to a halt. This YouTube channel is about my life from now on, including all of the van life adventures as well as my international endeavors. Let's travel back to Oregon and start heading south as we start to explore what the state has to offer. After a nice holiday home with the family, it was time to fly back to Oregon and get to my van. Happy New Year! Didn't do much last night, just stayed in bed. I'm waiting for a package to show up. I'm still in Portland, and then I head south once that package shows up. But to start the new year, we're gonna start it off right, and we're at Planet Fitness. So I'm gonna go work out and then get a shower. Okay, so I was waiting around in Portland, Oregon for a package all weekend. Come to find out, that package got held at clearance, so it was never coming. Finally got the word on that, so I left last night once I found out and woke up in Silver Falls State Park. So gonna go explore around here and hopefully I can try out my new drone that I got. We'll see. Wow, this is crazy. Look at this, hold on. Let me get you to a spot. Oh, wow. So you can walk around and go behind the waterfall. This waterfall was called South Falls, and it was in the Silver Falls State Park. You could walk all around behind, but he got pretty soaked and most of my gear was pretty drenched after. Wave! And of course, I had to show Dad the view. So I had just set up to fly my FPV drone, but dumb me, forgot my goggles battery up in the van. I had never unpacked them from flying back home, so gotta hike back up, go get those batteries, maybe hike back down. It's definitely easier to deal with it down here, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling lazy. Maybe I'll just fly from the top, we'll see. Okay, got the battery, so let's try it again. Okay, so this is my first actual flight, my new FPV drone, and I'm actually freaking terrified. All right, here we go. Woo, we're going fast. Under the bridge. Woo! Go up. And left to the right. You want to somehow keep the waterfall inside. Holy shit, we're going underneath it right now. Oh, I just got hit with a bunch of water. Woo! And dive down into this water. See all that water, and we're gonna go back up. Yeah! And spin around. that might be it. I think I just got it. Okay, bring it home. Holy shit. Okay, I think we got it. I got a text from my buddy Matt that my package that I've been waiting up in Portland, Oregon for this whole weekend had arrived. Well, I just left Portland last night because I thought that it wasn't arriving. I got told by the company, it's like, oh yeah, I got held up in clearance. Is there any other way we can get it to you? So it sounded like it wasn't coming. But it's there today. So I'm driving back up north, and then gonna have to come back south again once I get it. So things happen. It's just part of the journey, I guess, right? So yeah, that's the rest of the day is gonna be driving. I went up to Portland real quick to pick up my package, and then it was time to start going south again to start exploring more of Oregon. Just got a second battery, because why not? No, really, because I'm gonna put them in parallel, so it not only will give me more power to work with, but it will make it so this doesn't go as low as it can. Basically saving the battery's life a little bit more. So now I have more power and it's more safe. So let's get light on this. Where do you go? So we're gonna disconnect the negative first. Nope. Wait. When disconnecting the cables from the whole battery, yeah, negative first, then positive. Want to be very careful that when all the wires are loose, not to touch them all together. All right, so now we got 2 batteries hooked up. Anything on these terminals are just the connectors for now. Probably move some of that stuff over, but yeah, we're all wired in now. After making that quick stop, it was time to head to my next destination. Okay, so the hot springs I want to go to is, the road's closed, and it's 2 miles up the road. So we're not letting 2 miles stop us. This area is called Umpqua Hot Springs, and it's fed through underground thermal springs. When I first got there, there were a few people. However, not too long after that, they all left and I was able to get the whole springs to myself, really getting to enjoy every bit of it. These little inlets were everywhere, and they were coming in from the hill above. They would then feed down into each other, meaning the top pools were always the hottest, and as you got farther from the hill, it cooled down. I really spent a lot of time here and just laid down and relaxed. So right nearby those hot springs is a waterfall that I've been dying to get to. So we're gonna go check that out while we're here. This should be a quick little hike. So pretty excited. The waterfall I'm hiking to is called Tokati Falls, and the big reason it's been on my list for so long is the basalt columns on the left that you will see soon really remind me of waterfalls that I've seen out in Iceland. This was the view from above, but there was a better vantage point from below. You just had to scurry through a hole in the fence and rope climb down the cliff. Once down the cliff, there were just a few logs to scamper over, and then you got the view. I hope you enjoyed this episode. There's so much more to come. Next episode, we attempt to get to Crater Lake National Park when all hell breaks loose. If you've enjoyed watching along my journey, a like, comment, and subscribe really helps me. Thanks again, and see you next week.